Now for our feature story of the day, Pantera says Bitcoin is going to hit 740,000 by April 2028, which is just in time for the next halving, right around the corner. All eyes on the next halving. We just obviously had a halving back in April of this year, and block rewards got cut in half. And currently there's, I believe, 450 Bitcoin minted per day. And by the time of the next halving, that's going to get sliced in half and make the asset that much more scarce. So let's break this baby down. Reflecting on Pantera Capital's journey since launching the Bitcoin Fund 11 years ago, Morehead acknowledged the skepticism they faced back in 2013. People totally thought we were crazy in 2013, he stated. And I previous story shared with you the actual email that he wrote encouraging his investors to buy some of the Bitcoin. And he was using his personal money to do so at $65 per coin. The executive views this prevailing pessimism as a positive sign, reinforcing his bullish stance. So many people are still negative. It is far from being a bubble. Preach. Now, Pantera's Bitcoin fund yielded a substantial lifetime return of 132,000% since inception of July of 2013, when Bitcoin was valued just shy of $74. Morehead predicts Bitcoin will eventually reach 740,000 per coin by the time of the next halving. Let me know if you agree or disagree. Attributing this potential growth to a changing regulatory landscape. We call it the Trump pump. Morehead highlighted the shift from the 15-year regulatory headwinds to tailwinds, particularly citing the more crypto-friendly policies expected from President-elect Trump. The original Bitcoin fund launched by Pantera, notable for being the first to provide U.S. investors with direct exposure to Bitcoin. Having recently traded at, again, we almost hit 100 grand just 5 days ago. 99.9 is the new all-time high. Price discovery, we may return here today. The day is still young, fellas. The Bitcoin price is up 120% for the year. Morehead also discussed Pantera's new venture fund, Pantera Fund V, which aims to raise $1 billion to invest in various blockchain assets, including private tokens and special opportunities, such as Lock Solana tokens from the FTX estate. Quoting them here, "Fortunately, we raised the big fund right before the industry-wide blow-ups in 2022, Morehead remarked, noting that this timing has allowed them to deploy capital effectively over the last few years. The company's founder pointed out that many generalist firms have exited the crypto space, leaving fewer competitors in the market. This environment has reportedly ended Pantera's capital to secure better pricing and more advantageous deals." Morehead, who has a background as a trader of Goldman Sachs, maybe close to Gary, Mr. Chairman of the SEC, also from Goldman, also commented on Trump's proposal for the U.S. Bitcoin stockpile. He described the idea as rational, arguing that holding gold as a reserve is an outdated method of storing wealth. If they put some of that money into Bitcoin, that's a fantastic way to have a reserve currency holding. And that's right in alignment with Cynthia Lummis is suggesting to the U.S. government. Sell your gold and put it into the Bitcoin. Right? It's a no-brainer if you're to ask me. But let me know your thoughts with that $740,000 price target by the time of the next halving in April of 2028. And I'll read your comments out loud. Welcome, everybody, to the Q&A segment of the live stream. And let's run it back. I'm going to pull up some of the live charts, and we'll look at what's crack-a-lacking right now in the market during our Q&A. So as you can see here, this is the 1-hour chart. We do have a bullish pennant. We have a lot of targets in play, but let's actually start here. We have a blue target, which is sitting at 105,000. Obviously, roughly 10,000 jump, just a simple God candle away from where we're currently at. You can see the bullish pennant formation, but we also have the falling wedge previous right before the bullish pennant. So lots of volatility in the market. Zooming out from the 1 hour, we'll check out the 4-hour. 4-hour chart, you can see we have the bullish pennant formation. We do have $108,000 bullish pennant target. We do have a lot of big green bullish candles printed, but the most recent are corrective reds, but they're itty bitty. Let's see what happens from here. And zooming out, we check out the 1-day chart real quick. You can see we formed a big green candle yesterday, which was nice to come back from the big red candle. And now we're currently trading sideways a bit, currently sitting at roughly 95,000, flirting with 95,000 resistance. And zooming out from the 1 day, we'll take a quick look at the weekly. We still have the sexy cup and handle target. Yes, this is live and in the flesh, family. This is via Coinbase, via TradingView. We're still sitting at 124,000, which I believe is in play here. Q4, December, send it. You can see the past 3 weeks, we had big green consecutive weekly candle closes. And zooming out from the weekly, we take a quick look at the monthly. Movember still printing a mega candle. Again, 2 days left until December is over. I mean, November, and before entering December, right around the corner here. Q4 bullishness. I think we'll continue the bullish momentum, but let me know your thoughts, and we'll keep the charts up here as we do our Q&A segment of the live stream. Again, happy Thanksgiving, fellas, ladies. Special, significant day today. Here we go. We'll just leave the 5-minute chart up. We also have that green target at 97.8, which will take us very close to price discovery. We'll leave this baby up. We get a new candle in roughly 3 minutes. So there you have it.